Hi guys, this is me at 4:55 a.m. I want to quickly get this Halloween series over and done with, so I'm creating my last look now. I hope you enjoy this and I hope it turns out the way I want, because I've gone through a lot of this series. Imagine doing a look and not remembering to add lashes. Like, who does that? Anyways, let's get into this. So I don't know, I'm looking to create either this look or this. I don't know, I think I'll be going with this though. So I'll be using this palette from Ebony Cosmetics. I think I love this green right here, so let's see how it looks or what it gives. For you to do impossible, for you to do So guys, here's the finished look. Did I nail it? Do you think I nailed it? Anyways, see you on the next one. Bye.